If you want your website to include video, as with other elements, you go to Add, see this, scroll down to Video, and now you see the 4 different formats or sources of video that can be used. Something that's unexpected is probably that when you pull one of these onto a panel, it abruptly changes into the default video for that format, for that source. Not sure about Vidello there, but you should expect that the icon for the source vanishes and is replaced by a sample video. To change the video to one of your own, you click on the box and the edit pencil, and you'll be able to go to General Settings. Of course, there are a lot of settings here, but General Settings is what you want, and then you can substitute the URL of your video for what's there. Now, it's important to note that each of the brands has distinct options available. So it's set up, my sample here, for YouTube. But if I were to select Vimeo, then the general settings are different, and there are fewer of them. It does give you the option to autoplay and to loop, which I think don't work with YouTube. The other two are even more straightforward. For Wistia, the only thing you can do is put in the embed code, the URL for your video. And for Vidello, I believe it's the same thing, as you can see here. Now, you can change, of course, the size of your video on the screen quite a bit. You can place it wherever you want to on the screen. You can give it a border. Like with so many of the other elements, you can make that border round. You can set it up to appear at a variety of situations. When visible, if the user clicks on, say, a button that you put there, if they hover over something, and the effects that are available to bring it in are many. So, go crazy, have a good time with it. Also, you can adjust the speed of the effect, not of the video here, but of the effect, to have it jump in or slide down or shoot in from the side faster or slower. That's most of it. So have a good time.